sell the lots to speculators. They don't develop the public spaces. If any of us had been around in the year 1900, Washington, D.C. did not look like what it looks like now. They never finished the public spaces, the parks, the mall. There was a White House, there was a Capitol, there was a Lincoln, or not, there was a Washington Monument, and there were government buildings, but it was not connected. It didn't have that green, the grand feel that was in the plan. So in 1901, 1902, there was a Senate Park and Planning Commission to finally develop the public spaces. One of the lead landscape architects was Frederick Law Olmsted Jr. His father did Central Park in New York. The son did the Washington National Capital Park System. It took them until 1922 to finish the work that Pierre L'Enfant said, if you don't do it now, it'll take you 100 years. It took us 130.